All right, it's time to tuck the girls into bed. Good evening, ladies. Boy, you roosting on top of the coop is making it very dirty. Oh, it's gonna be a long summer. Yeah. Hey, baby. All right, wishful thinking. Good night, Flora. Yeah. Aw. To get a pet in. Oh, you can feel your pins? Wow. Hi. Can I get a pet in? Can I pet you? Little Miss Grumpy. She's like, no, no. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Hello, Rose. Is there an egg in there? Or 2 or 3, hopefully? Can you move? Scoot, scoot. Scoot, scoot. Okay, we have an egg. Yes. Just the one? Oh. Gee. My hair was in the way. I couldn't see it. Okay. So, let's see who they belong to. That is obviously Flora. And this one looks to be Rose. That could be Mary. It has the calcium deposit on it. Okay. All right, we're going to keep that open tonight in case Rose wants to come out or Flora or Mary want to come in, and we're going to take a look at this. That is Flora's. Beautiful. Okay, let's get this in here. Get that. Keep the rats out. So I'm thinking I want to put the trail cam in a different spot so I can see this area. Okay, we are going to check for another egg just in case. Can I put some light on this subject without blinding you? Okay, can you move? I see under you. No egg. Just the 2. Thank you, Rose. That's my girl. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I know, Grumpy. Until next time. Bye-bye.